Talagang straight shot siya doon.
Kala mo may drop doon ha?
Ano, may jump eh.
Parang nagpaganito ka eh. Ngayon to.
Wala na, tumigas ang kamay ko, ganun na lang eh. Yes, sir. Oh. Okay. Carry over there. Do it. No.
Oh!
Not today.
Diyan na pala si Ari eh.
Nahiya ako eh, kaya ginawa ko na lang eh. Tanga na, ginawa nila eh, kaya wala akong choice eh.
Sana oil. Not today.
Walang choice eh.
Ayoko na. Ano ba? Ayoko.
I was thinking about it.
Is it better?
I was thinking about it. My wet part yeah.
A bit much drier than the last time when we did it. Still kind of wet.
Huh? What, same thing you guys, the last time you guys went?
Yeah.
Where's
Where's the road?
Yeah.
Kalabungan. Plenty dirt.
Dirt ba yun? Yung ang top down, no?
Dirt. Yeah.
Yun na like your target stuck there.
Yeah.
It's like... Yan.
Dirt. Wet.
Yan ba yung line mo? No.
Talagang straight shot siya doon.
Kala mo may drop doon ha?
Ano, may jump eh.
Parang nagpaganito ka eh. Ngayon to.
Wala na, tumigas ang kamay ko, ganun na lang eh. Doon.
Wait. Dito gusto ni Rulo.
No, that's what he said. He said he'll like take the one and jump him. This one? To there. No, where did my lip. Yeah. Because I think you can roll them too much if you get the from the bottom. I don't know, it looks rollable. From the bottom. No, it's all dry, super dry. Yeah, this one more grip now. This one. Yeah. This one is Hero Dirt. This one. Zero Dirt talaga. Hero Dirt. This one. Either Zero Dirt or Hero Dirt. Talagang Zero Dirt yan.
Tirahin mo?
Wet ba?
Ha? Wet?
Oo, may turn pa eh. Pagka-turn mo eh, doon ka na sa kabila eh.
Oh, Sandy going. Going.
Bahala na si Superman.
Wait then. I'll be right behind you.
Bahala na si Superman. Good save.
Just like nothing, bro.
Okay, gotta watch. Gotta watch over here though. Slippery. Yeah. You get him, buddy. Diyan ako nag-slip eh. But it's good. I save him.
Rider.
Okay, wait. I gotta put this down.
Nag-disengage ako. Nag-disengage ako.
Okay, get up, okay. Control, control. Control. Oh, yes, sir. Woo! Yeah. Nag-slide ako doon.
He get the weight on the bike. He get the grip on the thing.
Yes.
If you feel like you going, just let go.
Ha? Over here. Oh yeah, the rocks. Oh yeah, over here.
That side when you get the follower. Saan bang line natin? Right? No, we're in here I think. Because I tried it twice. Dito yung una pero
Oh, gotta watch out over here.
oh, this one is kind of sketch. I kind of fall down over here and then I went back.
Ay, slippery over here.
Oh, yeah. This side, you can make you guys right.
Yeah, not today.
Ito. Straight shot.
You see this one? It is.
Pakita mo ka. Yeah. Yeah. Straight over here.
Yan sa middle. This one though, slippery dyan, no?
Just let go. Please slide.
No?
Like Jace. Okay, just let him go. Let it go. Let it go. The one roller down. Yeah, plywood sa kabila. Or rock. Rock the roads. Oh shit! Uy! Oh, watch out. Teka lang.
Yeah.
Compact natin. Shit. So yata tirahin ni Dan ah.
Oo.
Yata
Pagka tinira ni Don,
Para
titirahin.
tirahin din ni Steve.
Pagka tinira ni Don, titirahin ko rin
Dapat yan kasi doon ako yan yata eh.
Hindi mo na matandaan, no?
Tinira mo yata yung utak eh, sa ugat.
Oo yata.
He went on top the roots. But he still made on.
Pero doon siya nag-cross ah. Dito ba? The middle
Doon,
one.
the mirror one. Kaya, okay na eh.
Tumigas yung ano ko, yung katawan ko gumanon doon dumarit.
Around this way.
He went around I think. Where's the up? Si Randy.
He's on top there.
Tirahin daw nila. Manood muna tayo.
Kasi doon ang hinihintay ko eh, kasi yun ang kan eh. Kasi natira niya na ah.
Bro, you did that one.
As I tell you, once nagawa ko na, matatakot na ako sa isa eh.
Part of mountain biking.
Talagang mag-break ka, dito ko muna mag-slide konti. Ay, oo, tignan mo.
Baka na para mag-video ka din.
Try natin. Shit. Hopefully. Slide.
Ano yung pumutok? Oh, you hit yung pedal mo.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng landing ng bike nyo. What happened, Pops?
Ha?
Dito? Nag-hit yung pedal.
Yung pedal. Pedal strike.
Yeah.
Ganda, oh.
Ang ganda ng landing ah. Holy